Itel A90, a new budget device from Itel, released a few weeks ago. The design is similar to the Itel A70, but slight modifications, especially the slightly square-like camera lens and its durability, thanks to the IP54 rating. Let's get started. Itel A90 has 4 color variants, such as the Starlit Black, Aurora Blue, Cosmic Green, and Space Titanium. Sound is a down-firing speaker powered by DTS. Supports side-mounted fingerprints. It is an IP54 rating that endures accidental falls, water splashes, and dust. Display is sadly the teardrop notch of 6.6 inch at 720 by 1612 HD resolution. Refresh rate is 90 Hz. Peak brightness is an upgraded 700 nits. I understand the teardrop notch display is obsolete in 2025, but that's okay at its price. From the memory, check out the variants on your screen, and they are expandable both RAM and ROM. The powerhouse is a low-powered Unisoc T7100 processor, formerly of the T603, which Itel can do better than keeping the same old processor. CPU is ARM Cortex-A55, 1600 MHz. GPU is PowerVR GE8322 and IMG 8322 550 MHz. Battery capacity is the usual 5000 mAh, which should take more than a day of basic use. Charging speed is an upgraded 15 watts charger compared to the previous devices. Camera's rear is 30 megapixels, front is 8 megapixels. Both shoot at 1080p at 30 fps, which based on its budget should take cool visuals. Check out its camera features on your screen. Operating system is Android 14, translating to the Itel OS 14.5. No word on software upgrade. It has AI functions such as the GPT AI Assistant's wake-up function. Based on its price, it's a good phone for highly budget-conscious users, business phone, and the elderly. Thank you.